Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this lovely 108 in the Allure specification. So this vehicle comes with 15-inch alloy wheels, has a black roof, tinted rear windows, there's also a colour reverse camera and keyless entry. The touchscreen has DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. We also get air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, and the car has the speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car has the 1 litre petrol engine that gives you 72 horsepower. It's done under 7,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.